Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to unlock your Facebook account. Recently my account has been locked in September 9 2025. I'm gonna showing you how to unlock it step by step. It is also the same account from another browser. If you want, you can start secret steps from one account. First of all, you have to click get started. Click over get started, then click over next. Remove accounts from account center. Facebook asking you to remove anything from your face or profile. If you want to delete, you can delete it. I'm not interested in it. Keep everything. Click over. So I'm clicking over keep everything. Secure your login details. Here a list of the contact details on your account. Click over next. Select anything, any email or any mobile number if you want to remove. I am not interested to remove anything, so I am clicking don't remove anything. Click over don't remove anything if you don't want to remove anything. Here we are saying that. Click over next. Finally you have unlocked your account. You are saying that I have successfully unlocked my account. Here are two buttons, review recent activity and back to Facebook. Click over back to Facebook button. Here you are seeing that my Facebook ID unlocked successfully. I'm gonna logging that account from another browser. It asks you to two-step verification. Sometimes a captcha. You have to wait. If Facebook asks you to two-step verification by your mobile phone or WhatsApp, you have to click over mobile number and verify. Then an OTP will send to your mobile phone, then put it, and then Facebook will verify. Now I'm saying that I have successfully unlocked my Facebook account. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.